checking out my video right here. And I want to tell you guys, I just listed this particular product on Etsy just 5 days ago, basically, and it's already ranking on the first page of Etsy. So if you're a newbie or experienced seller on e-commerce or Etsy or different sites like this, and you want to get your rankings up, especially for Etsy right now. I mean, as you can see right here, I only had 651 visits. And I'm gonna show you guys. I uploaded this product November 25th, and today is December 1st, 2021. And like I said, it was basically 5 days ago because could have did this video yesterday. But basically, I want to show you guys just how it's going down and what's really going on with this product and how it's ranking. I already have a incognito window open. So what I'm gonna do is go for a search term, which is you type in Christmas this way, and Etsy already had a popular keywords already in the popular search engine ranking. So most of the people that just go down here and click on what they want. So I'm trying to get this product going right here. So I'm gonna go for that. And most people they'll be looking for something kind of specific. So we'll go for a specific keyword term. They want a Christmas wreath for the front door with lights. So let's see my ranking anywhere on this particular term with the method that I'm using. Within 5 days, you can get your listing to the first page of Etsy, second or third, and just let it run until it gets to the first. And there I am right there on the first page. As you can see, my name right there, Trendsetters. As you can see, first page product. I'll go down here to show you the page again. First page of Etsy search engine. This method is killing it. I'm going to show you another keyword term for this one again. Let's go with, I'm trying to make this video short. Let's go with, it's really, I'm trying to get specific in there what people will be looking for with likes, because that's what I'm promoting, everything that's going on with the product. And let's go down first page of Etsy, search engine rankings. And there I am again on the first page of that keyword. First page, Trendsetters right there. And let me go down, show you guys. First page right there, Etsy search engine. This method is working very, very well. So if you want to know how to do this, just leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification. But if I get up to 15 comments down below that you're saying that you want to get more information on this or give me more info, I will make a video and invite you guys to it. But thank you for watching. Get to the first page of Etsy with your listings within 5 days, as I'm showing you right here, live proof. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys on the other one. Thank you.